When I first tried baking soda with water, it was not a trend. It came from curiosity, caution, and a bit of skepticism. Small habits can change how you feel. I had occasional stomach discomfort and heavy meals were the trigger. I wanted something simple, not extreme, and easy to observe. That is where baking soda water entered the picture. Baking soda, also called sodium bicarbonate, is alkaline. Inside the body, it interacts with stomach acid. This reaction can reduce acidity for a short time. How it works in simple terms: sodium bicarbonate buffers excess stomach acid. The National Institutes of Health explain that bicarbonate acts as an antacid. This is not magic, it is basic chemistry. Acid meets base, and balance temporarily improves. In my experience, relief was mild but noticeable. Not instant comfort, but less pressure and burning. That matters when discomfort affects daily focus. Research discussed in journals like the American Journal of Gastroenterology shows bicarbonate can neutralize gastric acid briefly. This explains why relief does not last long. Benefits without exaggeration: short-term reduction of acid discomfort. Possible support for intense exercise recovery when supervised. Some studies in sports medicine journals note buffering effects. The Mayo Clinic notes baking soda can reduce heartburn symptoms, but only when used correctly and occasionally. Dose matters more than people think. For general use, small amounts are discussed, often around half a teaspoon in water. Exceeding this can cause problems quickly. Effects vary by body weight and health status. What feels fine for one person may not suit another. Important limitation: not everyone should use baking soda water. People with high blood pressure should be careful. Sodium intake can rise faster than expected. The World Health Organization warns about excess sodium. Possible side effects: bloating, gas, and electrolyte imbalance. Using it daily without guidance is not advised. This is where many people go wrong. How I used it safely: never on a full stomach, never more than occasionally, always with a full glass of water. I tracked how I felt afterward: energy levels, digestion, and sleep quality. Simple notes made patterns easy to see. Foods that support balance naturally: bananas help buffer acidity gently. Oatmeal absorbs excess acid. Leafy greens support overall digestion. These foods work through fiber and minerals. They support digestion without sudden shifts. Moderation reminder: even helpful foods can cause issues in excess. Doctor consultation note: always consult a doctor before health changes. This matters especially with kidney or heart issues. Medical guidance prevents avoidable risks. Practical takeaway: baking soda water is not a cure. It may improve comfort for some situations. Use it as a tool, not a habit. Track your response honestly over time. Adjust based on how your body reacts. Final thought: small informed choices build better health. Try mindfully and stay curious. If this helped, tap like and share.